Hello, and welcome to Gwinnett Technical College's library tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to create a works cited page using MLA format in Google Docs. The first step is to open up a blank Google Doc. Next, you will want to title your document Works Cited. You will then center your title by selecting the center alignment icon located on your toolbar. Next, you will hit Enter on your keyboard twice to move your cursor down. You will then want to move your cursor back to the left-hand side of the page by selecting the left alignment icon located in your toolbar. If you have already copied an MLA citation from one of the library databases, go ahead and paste it by right-clicking and selecting Paste without formatting. Now, we will go ahead and change the font as well as the font size by highlighting both the title and the citation, going up to the font drop-down box and selecting Times New Roman, then moving over to the right and clicking the plus button to change our font to 12 point. Next, we will change the spacing and indentation for our citation. To do so, highlight just the citation, go to the Format tab, select Align and Indent, then move to the right and go all the way down to Indentation Options. You will then want to select the drop-down box located under Special Indent and select Hanging to change the indentation. Next, we will change the spacing by going back up to the Format tab, going down to Line, Paragraph, and Spacing, and then moving across and selecting Double. There is one additional step you must take when formatting your works cited page in MLA format, and that is to make sure that all of your citations are in alphabetical order. To show you how to manually place your citations in alphabetical order, I will go ahead and copy and paste a second citation to our works cited document. When pasting a second citation, click after the first citation and hit Enter on your keyboard to move your cursor below. Now, we will right-click and select Paste without formatting. We have now pasted our second citation, and as you can see, it has followed the same formatting as our first citation. So we do not need to change the font size, the spacing, or the indentation. But we do need to place the second citation above the first citation in order to place our citations in alphabetical order. To do so, copy the second citation, select above the first citation or next to it, select Enter, and then select above the first citation. You can now right-click and paste the second citation to place it above the first citation. If there is a space between the first and second citation, you will want to get rid of that by hitting backspace on your keyboard. Now that we have placed our second citation in alphabetical order above our first citation that we pasted on our document, we can go ahead and delete the second citation we pasted on our document. The final step is to remove any hyperlinks that appear in your citations. To do so, right-click on the link and select Remove Link. You now have a properly formatted works cited page in MLA format. If you would like further assistance with creating a works cited page in MLA format, please feel free to contact the Gwinnett Technical College Library today. Thank you for your time.